dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 5 and Day 15. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, crayons along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear kids? Yes, from today's class, first we will see the phonics session. Okay, after that we will revise the Unit 5. Okay, yeah, now you will ready? Yeah, great. Yeah, did you complete the yesterday's worksheet, my dear children, in phonics? Yeah, great, Kutima. Now you will open your worksheet number 23. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. See this is the worksheet number 23, question number 2. Circle the pictures with the odd beginning sound. From this last worksheets, we learnt about the same beginning sounds. Same beginning sounds means two pictures have a same beginning sound, right? Today we will learn about the odd beginning sound. Okay? Odd beginning sound means we are having 4 pictures. 3 pictures have a same beginning sound. Only one has a different sound. That means a odd beginning sounds. Are you clear? Yes, 3 pictures have a same. Only one picture sound has a different. That means a odd beginning sound. See here, there are 4 pictures in the each row. You have circled the picture that has the odd or different beginning sound. Shall we move? Are you ready? Yes. See the first question, first row. What is the beginning sound of this picture? Ka. Ka. This one, lip. L. Next, kettle. Ka. Ka. Next, key. Ka. So, can you find out the odd beginning sound picture? Yeah, 3 has the same beginning sound. Only one is a different beginning sound. Which is that? Which one, my dear kids? Yes, lip. Ill. So, you have to circle this picture. See this. Next one. Rainbow. Next, man. Next, rose. Next, rain. So from the second question, which has a odd beginning sound? Can you say? Yes, man. So you have to circle this picture. Great, Kutima. Next, third one, pig. Next, parrot. Ink. Plant. So which has an odd beginning sound? Great. Ink. So you have to circle this picture. See this. Next one. Wall. Watermelon. Watch. Net. Can you guess it? Very good, children. In net. So you have to circle this. Next, bus. Bear. Star. Bat. So from the C question, which has a different beginning sound? Great, Kutima. Star. So you have to circle this. See this, my dear kids. So from this worksheet, you have to, any doubt means pause this video. You will complete this in your home. Great, my dear children. Okay, Kutima. Next, today we will revise the Unit 5 sessions. Okay, what we learned from this unit? Today we will recall the phonics, then whole words, after that reading and listening comprehension session. Okay, first of all we will revise the phonics session. From this phonics part, what we learned? Yes, we will see the letter and also letter sounds. After that we will see the SR book. From that beginning sound A to Z. Okay. Now you will open your SR book. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. Yeah, great my dear children. This is the SR1 page number. Now I will show you your flashcards. We will see the letters and letter sounds. Okay. So I will show the flashcard. You keep your fingers from this. Okay. Yes. What is the letter? A. A. Letter sound. A. You also repeat along with me. B. 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 C. K. K. D. 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 E. A. F. 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 G. 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 H. 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 I. E. J. J. K. Next page. E. India. E. Ink. Insect. Injection. J. Jeep. Jam. Jacket. Jack. K. Kite. King. K. Key. Kettle. Next. Leaf. Lemon. Lips. Leg. Mango. Man. Mat. Mouse. In. Nose. Needle. In. Net. Next page. Queen, quill, quill, quilt. Rainbow, rose, ring, rain. Next, shoe, shofar, star, sand. Top, table, turtle, tomato. Next, umbrella, uncle, up and love. Van, vase, violin, vegetables. Wall, watch, watermelon, water. Box, fox, X-ray, mix. Yarn, york, yellow, yak. Next, zip, zoo, zero, zigzag. Great, Putima. From your home, you will revise this SR, page number 1 to 4, SR4, page number 99. From this phonics session, what we did some worksheets, right? Yes, we'll circle that same beginning sound, after that odd beginning sound. Do you remember that? Yes. After that, in our notebook, we draw the one picture for that sounds. Do you remember that? Yes. From today, you will take your note, you will draw one picture for that sounds. After that, you will see your worksheet. Today, you will revision that phonics session. After that, whole words. I will teach you a whole word session revision. Now, you will take your SR book, my dear kids. See this. This is the page number 22. Whole word session. Okay. Yes. From this whole words previous levels. Okay. You will read this in your home. I will give a revision for this. How to read these words? Keep your fingers like this. We do not use the letter sounds. We read this only. Right? Words only. Yeah, keep your fingers one by one, my dear kids. What, two, the, get, two, far, can, are, they, here, come, bring, make, give, at, there, by, sit, so, much. Did you repeat after me, my dear kids? Yeah, great. Now I will show you some examples for this whole words. You'll say the answer, okay? Yes. See this, my dear children, whole words. I will read the sentence. You read that word, right? Whole words. If they are having whole words means, we will circle that. Shall we do this? Yes. See the first one. First one, Ram brings fruits for her. Ram brings fruits for her. Here having any whole word? First one, see that? Yes. What is that? Brings for. So we have to circle that. See this? Yeah. Shall we move to the next one? Second question. This is the second question. She gives my key. She gives my key. So, my dear children, can you guess the answer? Which whole word is here? Yeah, great Kutima. Gives. We have to circle that word. Next, third question. They are here. They are here. Which whole word is here? Very good, my dear children. Here. Next, see the fourth question. We sit at the table. We sit at the table. Can you guess the answer from this sentence? Yes, sit there. We have to circle that. So see this, my dear children. Do you understand from this whole word session? Yes. Great, Kutima. From this whole word session, what having in our worksheets? We colored worksheets. Whole word session. After that, we circled the whole words in our workbook having. Right? So, you will take your worksheet. You will revise that related whole word sessions. Great, my dear children. Next, we will revise the reading and listening comprehension. From this session, what having? Yes, parts of your book, then characters, then 3 stories having. First of all, we will revise the parts of your book. Do you know that? How many parts? 5 parts. Front cover, back cover, title of the book, author of the book, then page number. Right? Yes. Now you will open your page number 12, SR 7. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this parts of your book. Front cover, back cover. Next, title. See this title of the book. Name of the book of the story, right? Next, author. Here having author. Then, page number. So, this is the parts of your book, right? Front cover, back cover, title, author, then page number, right? Yes. After that, you will take your SR4 shopping time page. My dear kids, I will read the story first. After that, we will discuss the vocabulary words. Shopping time. Author Kamal Ramachandani. Illustration Girdi Benha. Rahul and Rani go shopping. Next page, they go to the card shop. They get a card. They go to the balloon shop. They get some balloons. They go to the bakery. They get a cake. They go to the toy shop. They get 2 toys. Next page. What are they shopping for? Can you guess? Yes. So from this story you will read in your home. Okay. Shall we see the vocabulary words? Yes. Shopping, bakery, car, balloons, shop, toys. Yeah, great, Kutima. After that, we will see the character part. What is the character? Do you know that already, right? Yeah. A character is a person or animal in a story. Do you remember that? Yes. For example, in the story Shopping Time, Rahul and Rani are the characters. Right? Once again, a character is a person or animal in a story. Okay? See this, Rani and Rahul. Great, Kutima. Next, we will see the fruit seller story, SR 8. See this, the fruit seller. From your home, you will read this story. I will revise the whole words from this story, my dear kids. whole words. Whole words. Whole words are you blinking? I think so, you are sleeping. This is not a whole word. Vocabulary words. I will teach you I will revise the vocabulary words. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Fruits. Fruits. Papaya. Papaya. Bear. Bear. Yeah, great Kutima from the story. You will read in your home, okay? Without any help. Next, at a fair. At a fair. From this story also you will read in your home. I will revise the vocabulary words from this story, okay? Take page number 19. Vocabulary words from this story. Ride. Ride. Music. Music. Ice creams. Ice creams. Fair. Fair. Next, our helpers. Yes, are 15. Shall we see the vocabulary words? Yes. Milkman. Milkman. Baker. Baker. Policeman. Policeman. Sweeper. Sweeper. Clean. Clean. Safe. Safe. So my dear kids, from this reading and listening comprehension, you will read the story in your home. After that, you will revise the vocabulary words, okay? Next, we will revise the retell events of a story. Events are things that happen during the story. When you read a story and then tell what happened in the story. So hereafter, already we learnt about this one. You read the story, you will think that what happened in the story, okay? It is called retelling the events of a story. We always tell what happened first, next and then end of a story. Okay? Yes. First, next, end. Great Kutima. Once again we will revise the greetings. We use greetings to wish people. Hello. Hello, when you meet someone, you have to say hello. Goodbye. When you leave from that place, you will say goodbye. Next, good morning. From morning, you have to say in your mom and dad, good morning. Then, before you have to go into bed, say good night. So, from your home, are you using this word, my dear kids? Yes. Next, magic words. We use magic words to be polite with people. These words help us have better relationship with people. See that? Please, please, sorry, sorry, thank you, welcome. So you will use these words from your home. Great Kutima. From this reading and listening comprehension related worksheets, you have to revise in your home. What are that having from that reading and listening comprehension? Yeah, we have a vocabulary words. Match the words. We have to do that in our worksheets. Okay. So you will revise in your home. Great, my dear kids. Once again, what we revised today? Yes, phonic session. We see the SR book and letter sounds. Okay. So from your notebook you will draw one letter sounds related pictures. Okay. Then whole words. You will read the whole word session from your SR book and also you will revise the worksheet. Then reading and listening comprehension, they are having stories. You will read the story. After that you see the vocabulary words. Then parts of your book, then characters, retell events of your story from your book having, right? So you will read that pages also. So, and also you will revise the worksheets from reading and listening comprehension, my dear kids. Yeah, great. Bye. Thank you, my dear kids. Happy learning.